In this video, we are going to see how we can permanently delete any specific Google document in Google Docs. So let's say that we want to delete this particular document. All we have to do is just click on File menu and click on Move to Trash, and it will show you this window where it says File Move to Trash. Now you can take out this trash directly, or you can go to the Google Docs home screen. Let's move there. And after that, if you want to locate it and then permanently delete it because you have a couple of more documents, although you could choose move out or take out the trash directly, but otherwise, if you want to locate it, just click on the three lines and click on the drive and click on trash, and you will find your related document here. You can click on the three dots and click on delete forever. Delete forever. This cannot be undone. Just make sure you want to do that. Click on delete forever, and that is how you do it. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel, and I will see you in the next one.